Hey guys, how are you doing? My name is Faith Abraham. So in this video, I want to show us how I drape the front part of this dress. You can call it a drape or call it a ruche, okay? But we're going to see the process in this video. Please do not go without subscribing. And if you have, thank you very much. All right, guys. So this is our skirts, part of the dress we are going to be draping. Okay, so before draping, right, I've already attached my upper bodies to the skirt part because the drape covers, a little above the half cut. So because of that, we cannot drape first before attaching our half bodies. Hope you understand. So I've gone ahead to attach my half bodies, and then this is the skirt part. Like as you saw on the thumbnail, it is an high-low kind of drape, in that one part of the drape area, one part of the side, on the hip area, along the hip area, one is longer, one came down more than the other one. Okay, so I've also gone ahead to open the sides of my skirt. Okay, so you have to open the sides of your skirt. Let's call it skirt right now because we are draping the skirt area. So I've gone ahead to open the side. Okay, I also opened the other side. Now this other side is the part that is going to be longer, the part that is going to come more down, the high side, and then this is the low side. Okay, this is where I want the low side to get to, just a bit above the hip point. Okay, and then this other side came down to almost 2 inches before the nail area. Okay, so I also gone ahead to open it. Okay, so you should also do the same to yours. So this is the fabric we are going to be using for the drape. It is chiffon. Okay, chiffon. So for this part that is low, I measured it. So you measure your own. Okay, I measured it, and what I have here is 17 inches. Okay, this part I've also measured it. What I have here is 9 inches. All right, but this is the parts, the measurements. It is this part's measurement we are going to use. So if you want it to be very full, you should multiply this part, the amount you have here. I said mine is 17 inches. You should multiply it by 3 or 2.5. okay, if you have the fabric at your disposal, also such quantity of fabric. So if we have 17 inches here, I'm going to multiply it by 3. It's going to give us 51, right? If we multiply it by 3. Okay, this part right now is inconsequential because we are going to drape, and bring it all the way here. Okay, so we are using this part, which is 51. So I have my 51 inches cut out. Okay, I have it cut out. Use a 30 inches for the width. Okay, I just use a 30 inches for the width to be safe. So I cut it out. I went ahead to fold the rough edges. Okay, on both sides. And then we are going to run a loose stitch on this part to create a gathers. Okay, run a loose stitch on this part here and here. Okay, you run a loose stitch to create your gathers. So I'm going to run mine now, create my gathers, and then come back to us. So I've put my gathers on both ends. Okay, we're going to use that to form the drape. Please watch keenly. I'm just going to place it like this. I make sure that this edge is properly hidden. Fold it inside. And then I'll start using the gathers to form my plates, of course, which is the draping. There are different ways you can achieve your drapes. You arrange it properly and neatly. That's why you should make your gathers very full. Like, you know, I divided the length of the opened area where we want the drape to get to. I divided it. I multiplied it, not divide. Okay, I multiplied it by 3. Okay, I don't know if I've said divide earlier. Please pardon me if I did say so. It's multiply. You see how I'm picking it neatly. Okay, you see how beautiful it's looking. So I just keep picking it this way, basically. You see, it's looking very beautiful. Don't forget, this side is going to stop around this area. This side is stopping around here, so it's slanted. So at this point where you have those dots, okay, because we are going to sew it down around this area. This dot line, you're going to use your pin to hold it down because you are going to sew, make a straight line around that area. You're going to hold it down here. You sew it down around here, a straight line, and then you bring the plate down to this point. So this point is still open. You arrange your plates, bring it down this way, arrange it properly so that you get to where you want it to get to. Hope you understand. You know, on your seam area, you arrange it properly. So if you are satisfied with the results you've gotten, like we are here right now, I'm going to take it down to my sewing machine, sew this area down, sew here down, make a straight sewing here, and we are done with the drape. So if you know you've learned anything from this class, if it's actually what you want to learn, kindly like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and then see you on our next video. There is a trimming you also have to, there is a trimming when you are done sewing. You embellish it with this trimming like this. Like this, and then like this. going to glue it down. Hope you like. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe.